Um, hey everyone, my name is Joshua Wani and welcome to How To Guy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Photoshop for free online. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Here, open Chrome. Just gonna tap my Chrome profile there. Gonna maximize that. So what you want to search for is Photoshop online, no sign up, for free. Sorry, my network's like a battle. Just gonna wait. Come on, come on. Sorry guys, my network here is like what? It's like, oh yeah, there we go. So it's loaded now. You can see all this AI Gemini stuff. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all of that. Just gonna, just gonna scroll down. Just like go to there we go. So what you want to click is Photopea. See this right there? Just click that. And as you can see, this says Photopea and everything. But come on, guys, we all know use Photoshop, and this is a classic Photoshop layout. So you can see here we have Dropbox, OneDrive, and you can just click this like new file. You can click, so I'm just gonna click new project. I'm gonna select YouTube thumbnail and see all the expectation. Just gonna click create, and you can see it's giving us a YouTube thumbnail layout. So you can see all these tools here. I'm looking for the, sorry, it's been so long I use Photoshop, can't even find the background eraser. I think that should be it. Is this it? Yeah, that's it. So you can see the background eraser, the clone tool, the brush tool. You can see everything there, the gradient, the paint bucket tool. So yeah, basically this is it. This is, Photoshop. You can see I'm just gonna draw a rectangle to show you guys this actually works and this isn't some scam. So just gonna draw that rectangle over there. As you can see, I'm just gonna change the color to something. Damn, it's a bad color. So I'm just gonna change something like red. I'm gonna draw another rectangle. There we go. Yeah. So let's change the color of that too. Let's just draw something like green. Green. Trust me, guys. I know this is bad colors, but I'm just doing this, just to show you guys that it actually works. Just gonna pick the pink color right over there. And sorry, it's been so long I've used Photoshop. So, yeah, basically that's it. You can just like move this around. I'm just gonna add a text here like, hi, I am how to guy. So you see, that's it. It's basically Photoshop. Now, as you can see in this right angle here, is a couple of ads, but honestly speaking, basically that doesn't affect your basic cloud. It's still the same Photoshop. You can save this as a PSD, or you can just export it as what's it called, as a PNG file, a JPG. It's basically export. I'm just gonna save this here. See, saved it as a PSD file, and it's been saved to my computer. You can also export this as a ping, like I said earlier. You can just click save. You can also open new projects from your computer. So yeah, basically, this is it. This is like just basically Photoshop. Now I know most of us just use ChatGPT these days to do addicting and stuff, but trust me, if you're someone who still likes living in the 80s and still wants to use Photoshop and doesn't want the hassle of going to download it or looking for a crack and downloading something you're probably not going to use that often, then like this is a really good option. Just use it online, close, say what you're doing, open, continue, that's it. So that's it for my video for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one, I guess. So now it's how to guys. See you later. Bye.